Rutland, which is widely known for hearth safety and maintenance, has a wide variety of products for inside and outside of the home. Use Rutland castable refractory cement or dry mix 211 to repair cracked or broken refractory panels in your wood stove. Rutland polishes work great on any unpainted metal surface to protect against rust and safeguard your stove's appearance and luster. Rutland stove grill and hearth conditioning glass cleaner makes quick work of any buildup. Silicane technology fills microfissures, ensuring an easier cleanup in the future. Our new and improved stove and gasket cement no longer needs a heat cure, making gasket replacement that much quicker and easier. Start fires easily with Rutland's one-match fire gel. Rutland's new firebox bricks are a beautiful and functional addition to your fireplace. Easily express your individual creativity with a new lighter color. Rutland's Brick and Stone Cleaner is the strongest formula for cleaning masonry or stone surfaces with ease. Rutland's Dry Mix 211 makes it simple and easy to repair or repoint mortar joints between fire bricks or other masonry surfaces. Keep your home safe year-round with Rutland. If you have any questions, please contact our customer service team at sales@rutland.com.